Welcome guys, and I can bet with you that if you don't watch this video to the very end, you will not be getting this 5k account I'll be talking about in this video. So all you need to do is make sure you pay attention and follow this video right now. I might not add some details to this video because it's late already and I had to just quickly make this video giveaway. So click on the link in the comment section and then it brings you right here to this site, right? No, it takes you to my Telegram group where you get link that brings you to this site. So you click on sign up, the first thing you need to do, and then you need to sign up with this broker. And by the end of this video, after completing all this, you'll be getting a 5k profit account. And for those who are just joining this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and comment in the comment section if there's an issue you have with this site that you don't understand. So I'll be ready and I'll be glad to actually give you a reply without hesitating. So fill in every details necessary that is required. Once you fill in every details, if you scroll to the bottom and also you see this section right here, you need to create a password. Just make sure you fill in every details necessary and then click on register. So see right here, I've been registered successfully and I now need to log in back to the site. Now the email address which I used for registration and the password which I filled is what I'll be using to log in to the site. Now right here I need to fill in my details into these boxes and click on remember me and then click on sign in. Now immediately I got signed in into the site, but right here I had a little bit of mistake in my password when typing it. So I just input it correctly and then click on sign in once again and I've been logged in into the site. Now you can see right here details about the profile. Now I have to put these settings to desktop mode to be able to get a full details of what the site is actually about to give to me. And you can see the banner right here that says 5k account, and I'll make sure you follow this video because there's a section which actually you need, very important. You might not get it if you don't follow the video. So you can see at the top that says start challenge. This is what you click on, and to take it to that section right here that have details like this. Now we need to wait for it to finish loading because there's more details we actually expect it to show us right here, which is actually not showing. So I actually just have to refresh it. Now see the details which we expected to have. This right here that says $30 to get a 5k profit account, and like I said, you need to pay attention. That's because there's a promo code you'll be using to get this account. Now you can see right here you need to input a promo code into this box and you'll be getting this 5k account for free, completely free. So if you input the promo code, which is 5k challenge, which is what you'll be inputting into the account right here. And another thing you need to take note of, which would actually enable you to be able to get it, is you need to click on the terms and conditions. So if you zoom out right here, you see this small box showing in this place. Make sure you click on the terms and conditions, and immediately you do that, you click on purchase account. Now you see right there, that's what I just clicked on, and I'm actually waiting for it to finish loading. See purchase completed, and you see you just have to proceed to getting us details of the profit account. So see right here, this is the details of the profit account showing right here on the screen. And to see right there, if you click on this place that says trading rules, this right here, you'll be getting the terms and conditions for this profit account. We already have details like this on the screen, the minimum trading days, you know, see the profit target, which are the main terms and conditions. So you can see details right there. So to link into your trading site, which the trading platform you should be using to trade the account. So all you need to do is to click on this place right here for the web app. So the web app will actually take you to this trade lock right here, this trade locker. So trade locker, you now have to put in the login details which was sent to you. But at the moment right now, this trade locker is actually having issues with this platform right here. That's due to their license and stuff. And immediately after it being resolved, I'll be reaching out to their support. Immediately after it gets resolved, I'll be dropping the update in the Telegram group for you to be able to start trading immediately. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on your notification so that you won't miss out on the updates anytime I drop them. Have a nice day, guys.